Hey guys, I'm Mariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me while I pack my new makeup kit. So if you caught my other video of my birthday haul, you would have seen that I got a brand new huge makeup kit that I take with me on my makeup appointments. So it is very big and I wanted to record myself packing all of my stuff in it. So I'm going to be transferring everything from my old duffel bag that I used to use and put everything into this new huge makeup kit. I'm going to organize it and how I'm just going to like fit everything in there. And I actually fit my whole entire huge duffel bag, everything in the duffel bag, into this box. So I was very amazed. So this is like the only thing that I'm going to be taking around with me now, which is great because I used to use this huge duffel bag and a regular size duffel bag. Everything fits in this box. So we're going to go ahead and get started and start organizing and filling up my makeup kit. So let's go. So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. I will probably leave a link to this box in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other video suggestions that you'd like to see from me, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!